Are you planning to come to Armenia? Did you know that speaking just a few local phrases can completely transform your travel experience there? Hi, my name is Margarita. Welcome back to my channel. And in this video, we will learn some essential Armenian phrases that will help you connect with locals and communicate like a true local. Many travelers struggle to communicate effectively in foreign countries, which can lead to missed experiences and misunderstandings. Language barriers can be frustrating, especially when you're trying to ask for example, directions or order food. You might find yourself relying on hand gestures or translation apps, but that's not the same as being able to speak directly with locals. Communicating in the local language can transform your travel experience, like making it more enjoyable and immersive. By learning a few key phrases, you can break down barriers and connect with the people and culture around you. We will go through each of the phrases, how to pronounce them, and the best contexts in which to use them while exploring Armenia. Some phrases you may already know from my previous video. I will provide the link in the description. For example, barev, which means hello in Armenian, or shnorakalutsun, which is essential for expressing gratitude, or kneres, which you can use when you want to apologize. You will use these phrases constantly, let's say everywhere and every time. Let's imagine a situation where you get off the plane. The first thing you need is to find a taxi. So, what should you say in this case? You should say, Ինձ տաքսի է պետք. Ինձ տաքսի է պետք. After getting into the taxi, you can greet the driver and say, Բարև ձեզ, գնանք, your hotel name, հյուրանոց. Բարև ձեզ, գնանք, for example, Tornado հյուրանոց. On our way, we may need to give directions. Left is ձախ and right is ach. So when you want to say turn left, it will be tekvek ձախ. Turn right will be tekvek ach. In the end, we should pay for the taxi service and we can ask Որքան պետք է վճարեմ. Որքան պետք է վճարեմ. After reaching the right place and getting out of the taxi, you can say ցտեսություն. Ցտեսություն, which means goodbye. So, now you are at the hotel. After greeting, you can say yes, like your name, M, which means I am. For example, if my name is Margarita, I can say yes, Margarita M, which means I am Margarita. Or Իմ անունը Margarita է, which means my name is Margarita. Now please be careful because the sentence is a little bit longer. Yes, սենյակ եմ ամրագրել այս հյուրանոցում, which means I have booked a room at this hotel. Yes, սենյակ եմ ամրագրել այս հյուրանոցում. The most engaging part will be when you see real-life examples of how these phrases can lead to memorable interactions and experiences with locals. You will get to experience the warm hospitality of the Armenian people who are eager to share their culture and traditions with visitors. By using these phrases, you will engage with locals in a more meaningful way, whether it's chatting with a shopkeeper or joining a traditional celebration. You will also get to try delicious local food. Armenian food is really very, very tasty. And learn about the history and customs behind them. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel to learn Armenian in a short time. Եթե քեզ դուր եկավ այս հոլովակը, չմոռանաս հավանել այն եւ բաժանորդագրվել իմ ալիքին։ Bye!